How to get points on Shein and save money. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and let's see what are the different ways that you can use in order to get more Shein points. The first one being that you verify your account using your email address. This way you will get 100 points of Shein easily, and also when you check out your Shein account on daily basis, you will be able to get more points. And also, if you write reviews for the products that you buy, you will be getting some extra points. So these are some ways, and one of the way is that while ordering any product, when you click on checkout, and also when you enable this option of on-time delivery guarantee, you have the chances of getting around 500 Shein points. If your order doesn't arrive on time, you will be getting 500 Shein points straight away in your account. And you can utilize all these points in order to save the money. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.